Welcome to our class, children. This is last exercise continuation. Sixth question is multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. What is the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16? Minus 16 by 7. Minus 7 by 16 reciprocal is minus 16 by 7. With this, we should multiply 6 by 13. So, 6 by 13 into 16 by 7. Plus into minus, minus. 6 6 are 36. 36, 6 we should write it here. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Divided by 7 3s are 21, 2 remaining, 1 7s are 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. Our answer is minus 96 by 91. Seventh question is, tell what property allows you to compute 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 as 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. This is like associative property in multiplication. What is the associative property? A into B into C equal to A into B into C. Same like this, our question is 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 equal to 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 they given. So, it is associative property in multiplication. Eighth question is 8 by 9 is multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8. Why or why not? Multiplicative inverse of any number, that is, you should not change sign and you should change numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator. Minus 1 by 8 will simplify now. Minus, we have write it minus. 1 into 8, 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. This denominator we should write as it is. So, if we simplify this answer, we are getting minus 9 by 8. But for A, multiplicative inverse is 1 by A. When we will multiply this both, we have to get 1. That is 1A numerator, 1A denominator, it will get cancelled. So, we will get the answer is 1. So, now we will multiply this and this, we will get plus 1 or minus 1, we will check. Here we have the number is 8 by 9. They have given this is what our multiplicative inverse. So, it is minus 9 by 8. Denominator, numerator 8 will get cancelled. Numerator 9, denominator 9 will get cancelled. But we have here minus 1. Product of a number and its multiplicative inverse is 1 plus 1. But we got it here minus 1. So, therefore it is not a multiplicative inverse. Ninth question is 0.3 is multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3. Why or why not? We have to take 0.3 as 0.3 as 3 by 10. And you have to do it same like 8th question procedure. Apply and do it as your homework. In 10th first question is the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. The reciprocal of A is 1 by A. But reciprocal of 0 is 0. In second one, the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. Now, the reciprocal of 1 is 1 by 1 we can write, numerator 1, denominator we can write, but 1 by 1 also is 1 only. Same, minus 1 reciprocal is 1 divided by minus 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Numerator minus or denominator minus, it will come minus 1 only. So, 1 reciprocal is 1, minus 1 reciprocal is minus 1. Therefore, 1 comma minus 1 will get their reciprocal. Third one, the rational numbers that is equal to its negative. 0 only doesn't have any negative because in the number line we have 0, this side we have positive sign, this side we have negative sign. So 0 doesn't have any negative value and positive value. So the answer is 0. On the number line, in natural numbers, the line extends infinitely only to the right side of 1. In whole numbers, the line extends infinitely to the right but from 0. There are no numbers to the left of 0. So, natural number will start from 1 and whole number will start from 0. In integer, the line extends infinitely on both sides. In rational numbers, the line extends infinitely on both sides. But you can see now the numbers between minus 1 and 0. The number is minus 1 by 2. And 0 and 1, the number is 1 by 2. This is 0. This is positive 1. Between that, we have 1 by 3. Then what is this value? It is 2 by 3. How it is possible? From 0 to 1, we have divided 3 parts. This is 1 part, this is 2, this is 3 part. So, what is the original value of this one? It is 1 by 3, 2 by 3, this is 3 by 3. When we have 3 by 3, numerator, denominator will get cancelled. So, the value is 1. This is called 1. So, we have divided 3 equal part in this 0 to 1. That's why first part is 1 by 3. Second part is 2 by 3. Third part is 3 by 3. That's why the value is 1. In this centimeter scale, from 0 to 1, we have 10 equal parts. First part is 0.1. Second part is 0.2. Third part is 0.3. This is 0.4. This is 0.5. Okay. Now, we'll see on the board. This part is 1 by 10. This part is 2 by 10. This is 3 by 10. That's how 1 by 10. If you divide 1 by 10, point means 1 0. 1 tens are 10. That's how I told you first line is 0.1. 0.1 also, 0.1 also we can tell. This is second part 2 by 10. So, this is 0.2. This is third part of 10. That's why this is 0.3. This is 4 by 10, 5 by 10. Actually, from 1, correct half is 1 by 2. This is 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. That's how this is 1 by 2, otherwise 0.5 can tell. This is 6 by 10, 7th line is 7 by 10, 8th line is 8 by 10, 9th line is 9 by 10. This is 10 by 10. So, 10 by 10, numerator, denominator same number means that value is 1. That's how it is 1. So, the value of each line 0.1. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 0.10 is called 1. This all the values are rational numbers. These values are decimal numbers. Now I have taken from 0 to 1, 8 equal part. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the first part value? 1 by 8. Second part is 2 by 8. It is 3 by 8. Fourth part 4 by 8. Fifth part 5 by 8. Sixth part 6 by 8. Seventh part 7 by 8. This whole value is 8 by 8. That is why it is 1. So in this 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So it is half. 0 to 1, the half value will become 1 by 2. Now in integer we have negative and positive including 0 we have. From 0 to 1, equal part 4 I have divided 1, 2, 3, 4. Same like that from 0 to minus 1 also 4 equal part. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again from minus 1 to minus 2 also equally we have divided 4 part. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what is the value of this? It is 1 by 4 because we have divided 4 correct part. This is 2 by 4. This is 3 by 4. This is 4 by 4. Now 4 by 4 is 1. This is half. 1 2s are 2 2s are 4. So this value is 1 by 2 also we can tell. Now here if you come, this is minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4, minus 4 by 4, it is minus 1. This is minus 5 by 4, minus 6 by 4, minus 7 by 4, minus 8 by 4. What is the 8 by 4? 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. That's why minus 2 our value. So, if you divide this 5 by 4, 1 4s are 4, remaining 1. So, our value for this, it is 1. We have to write this 1 by 4. So, 1 full part we got it. After that 1 by 4. The value is minus 1, 1 by 4. So, full part and 1 by 4th part of this. The same concept you have to try this.